Welcome. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to download a voice recording app for your Android phone and how to use that for the Chestermate Digital Storytelling Project. Now, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S7 phone. Although you may have a different Android phone, nothing should be all that different than what I'm using here. The only exception is if you do have an iPhone, please see our tutorial on how to record with an iPhone. It is a bit of a different process there, so look at the other video for that. Now for this Android phone, what I'll do is I'll click the bottom right-hand corner, here, which says Apps. There we go. And I will scroll over to my front page here, and in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see an app that says Play Store. Now, this might be in a different location on your phone. It depends where how your phone is set up, but look for this app, Play Store, and that takes you to the Google Play Store. So, as you can see, I already have it called up here, but let's say I didn't. So the upper right-hand corner, there's a magnifying glass, and you can see I have typed in here, Easy Voice Recorder in the search. Once I click that magnifying glass, it allows me to search for any app that I might be looking for. So I do want this Easy Voice Recorder. And once that app is up, I'll just click this green button that says Install. And the app begins installing. And once it's finished installing, you can do one of two things. Of course, you can click that green open button that's right next to the app, and it will open the app for you. Or let's take a look at where it would be from your home menu on your Android phone. So if I go home, I click on the Apps button, and I scroll all the way to the last page, which is where my most recent apps all put themselves, and I click Easy Voice Recorder. And here we are. So I am ready to record on my phone. Here we go. I press the orange button and it says allow Easy Voice Recorder to record audio, and I allow these permissions because that's exactly what I wanted to do. And here it goes. As you can see, it's giving me some visuals. It's showing that I'm talking and has some of the waveforms of my actual speech there. Now I'll press pause. And I have one of two options at this moment. You'll see to the left of the microphone button, I have an X. And if I click that X, it asks if I want to delete the current recording. So let's just say yes. I delete it. I wasn't happy with how that one went. And I'll try again. So I'll record a different test voice here. That's fine. Press pause. And I'll click the check mark instead this time, which then saves it. Now, once I have it saved, I can go from record to listen in the upper section of the screen here. I'll click on the right-hand side where it says listen. And as you can see my recording down here. Try again. So I'll record a different test voice here. That's fine. Plays my audio. Now, what I want to alert you to here, though, is in this blue highlighted section with your audio file, there are three dots that go from top to bottom vertically. And if I click on those three dots, a menu comes up. It says share, delete, rename, move, or copy. All of these are very useful functions. So let's say I want to rename it. And I can put in test audio. There it is. And you can see the name has changed. But if I click it again, this is the important part, I'll share it. And by sharing it, it allows me to send it in any way to whomever I want, in whatever format is appropriate. So let's say I want to send it over email. You can see that in the second from the bottom left here, my Gmail shows up. And if I click Gmail, there we go. It's there in an email, and I can send it to whomever I want. And so that's where you'll want to forward your story to the person you're contacting at the Chester May Digital Storytelling Project. So whether that's, say, Christopher Melee, or whether that's, say, Lisa Nelson Haynes, or whomever you're working with, right there, you'll want to type that email in and send it to that person. And of course, I'll click that blue arrow in the top right, and I've sent off my file. There it comes, my email. All right. Again, if you have an iPhone, please check with our other tutorial on how to record audio with an iPhone. But hopefully that gives you something to work with there, and start recording your audio stories for the Digital Storytelling Project. Thank you very much. Have a great day.